It's RSM.
I just came back from class and guess what's in my mail? Finally, it's here. Okay, let's unbox it together. This package came all the way from South Korea, even though I've never been to South Korea. At least this parcel have. Guys, they sent freebies. Gift for you. We added a little surprise in your package. We hope you love the sticker as much as we do. Oh my gosh, this is the new jeans. Head and OMG. Oh, cute. I love it. Thank you, LEWKIN, for the freebies. And now, first, I'm so excited for this one, guys. I hope it has pockets. And yes, it does. A zipper, divisions in it, and guys, bro, that's huge. But oh my gosh, oh, there's another zipper here. Yeah, I would rate this solid 8 out of 10 just because of the size. I think it's a bit too big. Next we have, I don't know what that is. Oh, tailored plans. So basically I was looking for black pants that are not joggers because I need it for my placement next month, and then I need it when I go to work. So basically I need black pants everywhere and I only have one, so I need few to change. And this is the next one. I ordered 2 different ones because I don't know which one will look how. Oh, I love this one. This one doesn't have the stretchy thing at the back like these. For some reason I don't like how it looks. This reminds me of my school days, little kids pants. I don't know why. I like these kinds of pants more, but all of them looks nice. I'm gonna try it on. A great jogger. I am a sucker for a good jogger. I'm always buying joggers and sweatpants all the time because they're so comfortable. Look, and the end is like this, where I can adjust it, make it into a tight or like a white leg. That's what I like about it. The quality is also nice. So yeah, I would give it a solid 8 out of 10. So cute. I'm so excited for this one. Bro, I thought I ordered a blue one and they sent me a green. Or maybe I ordered a green one. It's just a night PJ. Bruh. Let me see if I change my mind once I wear it. But I rated a 5 out of 10. Last but not least, also few of my stuff haven't come yet from LEWKIN. They are coming from different shipment. Last but not least, I ordered another PJ set. So cute. I'm obsessed. I think I'll rate it 8 out of 10. But so that's all the stuff that I got from LEWKIN's, and few of my stuff are coming from another shipment. And also extra bonus for you guys. Presents. I bought this yesterday, I think, or day before. I didn't open it yet because I didn't get time to, but it's okay. We'll do a haul now. I just bought a pant and a shirt, and I want to show you guys because I'm obsessed with the pant. This pant, I'm always searching for a good pair of cargos, and I am a teeny tiny girl, so my pants, the pants out there never fits me. It's either too big, yeah, it's always too big for me. This one is size 6, which is the smallest one here. Still, it's a little bit too big for me, but I got it anyways because I really like how it looks, and I can fix the waist a little bit, and if it's a bit loose, I'm okay with that, so I got it. And then I bought shirt, another t-shirt, tank top, like gray. It looks good when you wear it. So yeah, let's try all of them. Why do I look like that?
Yes, that's her left hand. Okay, so the long part essentially is between her knees. So across here, like so. This. That's it.
Yeah.
There, and then take that around the back. That's it, well done. Yeah, no, that's good. You've got the knot in the right place.
Yeah.
Faucet.
Life just sucks, sometimes it's true. We love to mess around with all our plans. What the fuck are we to do if nothing's ever really in our hands? You got time to kill in the bedroom. I'm the voice in the phone laying by your side. Got intertwined, I've sold you. Pretending that I'm near, but I'm not. Like, why is everything worse when I'm so low? Why the clouds are coming for me and I don't know why. Like, really, did he have to take her this time? I'm trying to be.
It's RSM.